Hello students. Student, in my last video I discussed you how can we solve linear equation in two variables with the help of elimination method and by substitution method. Today we will discuss how can we find linear equation in two variables with the help of cross multiplication method. So see, suppose that we have an equation x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. Suppose that we have two different equations, then how can we solve? How can we find the value of x and y with the help of cross multiplication method? We will learn today. See, firstly we will compare both equations with compare equations by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Students, firstly we will compare equation 1 and 2 with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, by which we can separate the value of a1, we can separate the value of a1, b1, c1 or a2, b2, c2. See, that we are comparing a1x plus b1y plus c1 with ax plus y is equal to 10, then we are getting what? a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to minus 10. See, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1, and when 10 will come here, then it will become minus 10. Then the value of a1 is 1, b1 is 1 and c1 is 1. Now a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to minus 1, b2 is equal to minus 1 and c2 is equal to minus 2. Now see students, after that we will write here x and we will write variable x and y. Then we will write coefficient of y and constant term like this: b1 b2 c1 c2 is equal to y upon b1 b2 then c1 c2 again is equal to c upon is equal to 1 upon, not c upon, 1 upon a1 a2 bc and ca, sorry, right here bc and then c1 c2 a1 a2 and then write a1 a2 b1 b2. And now see, why we are calling that it's your cross multiplication method of c here. We will multiply b1 this b2, we will multiply this value and then this value. So you can see we are multiplying what? Like a cross. That's why we are calling it what? Cross multiplication method. So see, multiply this value with this value and then this with this. So it will equal to x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon this into this. It will be equal to c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equal to 1 upon multiply a1 with b2. Then it will equal to a1 b2 minus b1 a2. Now students, you can see here we are getting this formula. And there is a standard formula to find the value of x and y with the help of cross multiplication method. Student, I got this formula and see how can you learn by trick. So again I am writing this formula here. How can you learn easily? So see, x upon see bc, then write x upon bc minus bc, y upon ca minus ca and 1 upon ab minus ab. Write a b c in cyclic order. Students, write A, B, C in cyclic order. like this: BC minus BC, then CA minus CA, and then AB minus AB. And then right here 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, and 1 2 2 1. See, right here 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, and again 1 2 2 1. Now see, this is your formula. See, this is your formula. So no need to write, students, not this formula. Just write x upon BC minus BC, y upon CA minus CA is equal to 1 upon AB minus AB, and then write 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, and 1 2 2 1. So student, please note down. Now see, how can we find the value of x and y? Now students, see, how can we find the value of x and y using cross multiplication formula? So firstly I am writing formula here: x upon BC minus BC is equal to y upon CA minus CA is equal to 1 upon AB minus AB. Now write 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, and 1 2 2 1. And see, I wrote here value of A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2. Now student, we will put the value of A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 in your formula. So see, x upon B1, 1 A2 C2, C2 is minus 2, minus B2, B2 is minus 1, and C1 is minus 10, is equal to y upon C1 minus 10 into A2 is 1, minus C2 is minus 2 into A1 and value of A1 is 1 is equal to 1 upon A1 B2, A1 into B2 is minus 1, minus A2 is 1, A2 into B1, and B1 is again 1. So see, what we are getting: x upon minus 2 into minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus plus, and plus minus 10 on here, 10 is equal to y upon minus 10 into 1 minus 10, and minus plus 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. Now student, minus 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 12 is equal to y upon minus 10 plus 2 minus 8 is equal to 1 upon minus 2. Now student, we will compare first value with third one and then second value with third one, by which we can find the value of x and y. See what I am saying. Firstly, we will compare this value with third one, then second value with third value. So see, I am solving here. When we are comparing, x upon minus 12 is equal to minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon minus 2. Then minus cancel, 2 6 are cancel, 2 6 are 12. Value of x is coming 6. And when we are comparing second value with third value, 1 upon minus 2, then minus cancel, 2 4 jai, value of y is coming 4. So finally we are getting two values, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. And students, if you want to check that your answer is correct or not, then you can also check. See, when we are putting this value in equation 1 or in equation 2, then your both sides are coming equal. See, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. Then 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Correct. And x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So your both sides are coming equal. It means your answer is correct. Now student, please note down this example. Now I am going to start exercise 3.5. Students, question is saying containing 4 parts, and question is saying कि firstly check that it containing unique solution or not. If question is containing unique solution, then find the value of x and y. So firstly we will check that your equations are containing unique solution or not. So you know very well how can you check that your equations are containing unique solution or not. So see, first part of question number 1. x minus 3y is equal to 3, your first equation, and second equation is 3x minus 9y is equal to 2. Second equation, exercise 3.5. Now see student, how can we solve this question? Firstly, we will check that it contains unique solution or not. So see, write value of a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 3, and c1 is equal to minus 3 again. Then a2 is equal to 3, then b2 is equal to minus 9, and c2 is equal to minus 2. So see, a1 upon 1 by 3 is equal to minus 3 upon 9, minus 3 upon minus 9, and 3 minus 2 upon minus 2, minus 3 upon minus 2. So a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Student, you can see easily here, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. It is value of 1 upon 3 is coming equal to 1 upon 3, but not equal to 3 by 2. So what it means, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but not equal to c1 upon c2. So your question is containing this condition. Your question is containing this condition. So it is a not condition for unique solution. So say key question is not containing unique solution. So when not containing unique solution, then no need to solve. Okay. Why? Because you cannot solve this question. Okay, now see second part of question number 1. Now see second part of question number 1. Second part. 2x plus 5, 2x plus y is equal to 5, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So student, firstly we will write this question in simplest form. We can write 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 first equation, and 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0 second equation. Now student, we will write the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Then see, a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 5, then a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, and c2 is equal to minus 8. Now student, you can see here a1 upon a2 is not coming b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 3, and b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 by 2 implies what? a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So now you can see your question is what? Containing a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 condition. Implies what? Implies containing what? Unique solution. Equations are containing unique solution. Unique solution. And when containing limit solution, now we can find the value of x and y with the help of cross multiplication method. Now I am writing formula of cross multiplication method. X upon BC minus BC is equal to y upon CA minus CA is equal to 1 upon AB minus AB. Now 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 and 1 2 2 1. Now put the value of x by a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. b1 c2 b1 1 into c2 c2 is minus 8 in minus b2 b2 is 2 into c1 c1 is minus 5 is equal to 1 upon c1 c1 is minus 5 into a2 is 3 minus c2 is minus 8 into a1 is 2 is equal to 1 upon a1 into b2 minus a1 b2 minus a2 is 3 into b1 and b1 is 1. Now student, solve it. X upon minus 8 and minus plus 2 5 is 10 is equal to 1 upon 5 3 is 15 minus plus 15 and minus plus minus 15 and minus plus, see it is into, so minus 5 into 3 15, a2 is equal to 3, yes. Now minus plus and a to the 16 is equal to 1 upon 2 to the 4 minus 3 1 the 3. Now see student, we can write x upon minus 8 plus 10, 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 15 plus 16, 1 and y upon 1, right here y upon 1 and 1 upon 1. Now student, when you compare first with third one, then you can see the value of x is coming 2 1 are 2, and when you compare second with third, then value of y will become 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is your final answer. And if you want to check that your answer is correct or not, then you can put this value in equation 1 or in equation 2 and you can check that both sides are coming equal or not. So see, 2 to the 4, we are putting x is equal to 2 here. So 2 to the 4 plus y is equal to 1, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So answer is correct. Now see next question.